In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common NordVPN connection issues. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable steps to get back online securely without unnecessary guesswork. First, start with a simple restart of the NordVPN app. Fully close it, not just minimize. On a computer, quit the app from the system tray or menu bar. On mobile, swipe it away so it's not running in the background. Then reopen NordVPN and try connecting again. This quick refresh clears temporary glitches, resets background services, and often restores a stable tunnel. Next, confirm that your internet connection is working without the VPN. Disconnect from NordVPN and open a couple of websites or a streaming app to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. If pages won't load at all, fix that first. NordVPN can't connect reliably over an unstable or offline network. If it does load but feels slow, keep that in mind. A weak connection can make any VPN look broken. If your internet checks out, try reconnecting to a different server. In the NordVPN app, pick a new location or a different city within the same country. Servers can become crowded or temporarily impacted by maintenance, which causes timeouts or slow handshakes. Selecting one that's geographically closer often improves speed and connection reliability. Give it a moment after switching. Some servers need a few seconds to finalize the handshake. If you're still stuck, switch the VPN protocol. In NordVPN, go to Settings, then Advanced, and change the protocol. NordLynx is generally the fastest and most efficient for everyday use, while OpenVPN can be more compatible with certain networks and firewalls. Try NordLynx first. If that doesn't help, swap to OpenVPN and test again. After changing protocols, disconnect and reconnect so the new setting takes effect. If none of these steps worked, delete and reinstall NordVPN. Uninstalling removes corrupted files or outdated components that can block a stable tunnel. Then download the latest version from the official website or your device's app store, reinstall, and sign in again. After installing, open the app, pick a server, and connect. This fresh setup often resolves stubborn issues that a simple restart can't. That's it. Work through these in order. Restart the app, verify your internet, try a different server, switch protocols, and, if needed, reinstall. These steps resolve the vast majority of connection problems. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep your app updated so you benefit from the latest fixes and performance improvements. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you connected smoothly and securely.